how do you think our payouts affected after EIP 1559? And is it confirmed on August 4th? Well, sort of. That's the approximate date, August 4th. It's going to be sometime in August, depending on our block rewards, because we get paid 10 to 15 seconds. Ideally, that's what I typically see. But really, you don't want to look at this. You want to look at the block, because I believe it was supposed to be at like, yeah, here it is. So 12,965,000. So we have to be on this block, and it should be approximately August 4th. Yo, what's up? Okay, so this section is called GPU mining profits as of today. And today's date is July 11th of 2021. And the price of Ethereum when I took this was around $2,141.07. Now, last week, the price of Ethereum was $2,358.74. So the price of Ethereum did decrease about 9.23%. And this week, our average difficulty is around 6,751.772 terahashes. Our average block rewards is around 2.21 ETH per block. And if you didn't want to check out last week's average difficulty and block rewards are below here as well. And then, of course, going over this chart real quickly, this is, of course, the graphics card. On top is AMD, on bottom is NVIDIA. This is the MSRP for each of these graphics cards. This is what each graphics cards are mining, which is Ethereum. This is ideally the best case hash rate for each of these graphics cards. This is ideally the best case power draw for each of these graphics cards. Now, I did adjust some of the power draw. This is the efficiency, which is the hash rate divided by wattage. This is how much you were making last week before electricity. This is how much you're making this week before electricity. This is my electricity cost, which is 10 cents per kilowatt hours. This is how much I made after electricity. And this is the percentage change. And it looks like our profits did decrease by about 15% from last week. So if I did scroll over, you'll see that the price I'll shoot for each of these graphics card. You'll see the MSRP again if you wanted to compare. So just be aware that every graphics card is different. It is Silicon Lottery. So this is ideally the best case hash rate you're looking to get. This may be the worst case hash rate for your graphics card, depending on Silicon Lottery. And ideally, this is the best case power you should be pulling. And this is the high-end power draw, just in case maybe you forgot to undervolt your card or decrease your power limit. And of course, going over the most popular GPUs for the 570s, 580s, it looks like you're going to be making around $1.77 a day before electricity. For the 5700 XT, it looks like you're going to be making around $3.31 a day before electricity. And for the 6800 XT, it looks like you're making around $3.78 a day before electricity. And for the NVIDIA side, starting with the 1660 Super, it looks like you're going to be making around $1.77 a day before electricity. For the RTX card, so the RTX 3060 Ti, it looks like you're going to be making around $3.66 a day before electricity. For the RTX 3070, it looks like you're making around $3.72 a day before electricity. And for the RTX 3080, it looks like you're making around $5.91 a day before electricity. And for the RTX 3090, it looks like you're making around $7.38 a day before electricity. And if you just scroll down a little bit, you'll see the RTX 3060s. If you want to check that out, you'll see the RTX 3080 Ti underneath that. And this is with the hash rates getting cut in half because of LHR. And under that, you'll see the new NVIDIA CMP HX cards if you want to check those out. And underneath that, you'll see the overclock settings that I set for each of these GPUs. On top is the best case overclocks that I set. But if your GPU starts crashing or if you have issues, try using the safe overclock settings on the bottom first, and then try to get your settings closer to the best OC settings to get it more efficient. But overall, it looks like our profits did decrease by about 15%. And the reason why is more than likely the price of Ethereum did decrease and our difficulty is still increasing. But let me know your thoughts. And real quickly, if you did want to check out last week's history for this chart, on the bottom, you'll see current and past. If you click on past, you'll see the previous week's history for this chart. And then, of course, let's check out the GPU prices. Let's see if they adjusted from last week to this week. Previous weeks, the prices of the GPUs stayed pretty consistent, but let's check out eBay and see if the prices dropped. So let's check out the 570s, 580s first. It's about 360. Okay, so pretty much stayed the same. All right, so let's check out the 5700 XT. So basically around 800. All right, let's check out the 6700 XT. Around 720. I mean, still in the margin of error. 6800 XT. They see 1300. All right, let's try the 6900 XT. Let's say 1440. Oh, the 6900 XT went slightly lower. Let's check out now NVIDIA, the 1660 Supers. So basically 430. So it looks like prices didn't change too much. RTX 3060, let's just say 700. RTX 3060 Ti, pretty much 1000. Let's check RTX 3070. I'm guessing same price, 1000. Yeah, 1000. All right, RTX 3080. Let's say 1560 just to average. 3080 Ti, these are still 1800. And the RTX 3090. So about 2350. Should you look at cards based on days to break even or on the price of the card? I think that would be interesting to see. I can do that real quickly. Okay, so I did grab all the prices from eBay that I found. So overall, it looks like the prices of the cards stayed pretty consistent from last week. It's in the margin of error, but I did add a couple other sections here. I did add the profits per day before electricity. I did add your break even in days and your break even in months as well if you want to check that out. But just be aware that the ROIs, this is just assuming everything's constant. Difficulty is increasing, and also the price of Ethereum could change. So if the price of Ethereum goes up, then the ROI could be a little bit shorter, but vice versa. If the price of Ethereum goes down, expect your ROI to be even longer down the road. And last but not least, if you did want to grab this chart, what you want to do is join the Discord. Once you join, you do have to do a quick captcha verification. Once you do so, you'll see a couple other sections open up. You'll see a section called rules open up. Make sure you click here. And then you do have to click this green check mark. Once you do so, the full Discord will open up. And then what you want to do is scroll all the way down until you see the section called helpful info and links. And then it'll be in this section right here called weekly mining profits Excel. And it'll be this file right here called weekly GPU profits. How do you think our payouts affected after EIP 1559? And is it confirmed on August 4th? Well, sort of. That's the approximate date, August 4th. It's going to be sometime in August, depending on our block rewards, because we get paid 10 to 15 seconds. Ideally, that's what I typically see. But really, you don't want to look at this. You want to look at the block, because I believe it was supposed to be at like, yeah, here it is. So 12,965,000. So we have to be on this block, and it should be approximately August 4th. When people guessed this block before, it used to be in like, I don't know, July. But like I mentioned, depending on the block time, it's going to be around this date, August 4th. I'm guessing it should be a little bit sooner though, because our block time is actually lower than before. So I'm guessing a little bit sooner than August 4th, but it depends on the block times. Because if I pull up the F block, well, it's just 10 to 20. That's too big of a range. Oh, here it is. Right. So right now it's about 13 seconds. So yeah, it should be around this date, August 4th. But it basically this block number, 12,965,000. So we just got to wait for this block number. Oh, but how do you think the payouts will be affected? It's going to decrease because we're going to lose our block rewards. But if I check the block rewards right now, we shouldn't be losing too much because we're averaging around 2.1, 2.2 or 2.2, 2.3 possibly. So yeah, we may be affected by like 15%. I don't know. How much will the rewards be after EIP 1559? Well, there's going to be still 2 because the standard block reward is 2. And then we are getting like the miner's fee or the miner rewards. So it should be around like 2.01. It's not going to be much. The thing is, we have no idea. We don't even know if EIP 1559 is going to be like, I don't know. We just have to wait and see. But it is going to decrease, definitely. All right, so thanks for everyone who stopped by. I had a blast, and hopefully you guys had fun as well. And if you have any questions you want to ask me live, I do stream live on Twitch at twitch.tv/thelifeofminer every Sunday, 2:30 p.m. US Eastern Time. And if you do need any type of help, definitely join the Discord. I or someone knowledgeable will definitely help you out. And before I leave, let's throw some crazy effects. Let's go RTX off. Let's do a barrel roll. And let's throw a punch. But of course, go out there, keep grinding. Life of the miner out. Okay, never mind. Open ball, wait for that to go down. Let's go. Wait. Yes. Wait. Oh, no. Die that. I'm gonna die right there. Let's go.